Well, here are some unhappy children. It rained tonight, so they didn't get their you-know-what. So they had to come out here and do their business without going for a WALK. So they're all pretty upset with me right now. Huh, Jimbo? Are you mad at me? I'm sorry. It's not my fault. It's Mother Nature's fault. Right? Whoops. A little smash. Why did you two run into each other? Probably because Bear's blind. And he didn't see ya. Milo. Oh, my poor children. They're out there doing their business so unhappily. Oh, guys, it's okay. Oh, but it's not the same as the WALK, Mom. Hi, Abs. How you doing, Mama? That's my beauty. Okay, Farge. And there's something about the wet that turns him into a kook, because he likes to have runways when it's wet and rainy out. I don't know. Crazy. Anyway, they're mad at me. They'll get over it. I think today's the only day that it will rain, so hopefully they'll be back to normal tomorrow. All right. Good night, y'all.